know Igondo very well now. Mama know Afromedia, Jangbadi Afromedia, Salami bus stop. That is where I am born and breeded. So there is this man in my compound. So ẹ mọ̀ pé tí ibẹ̀ ń ṣe dàbí ghetto tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn tó kúrò lájégúnlẹ̀ Afromedia òkòkò náà ń kó sí. So that place is, yes, that place is very, very bubble gan tó jẹ́ pé tó bá bọ́ síta láago méjì òru wàá tajà. Àtajà àtẹran everybody ló ń gbé níbẹ̀ yẹn. So this compound we are staying, there is one brother tó wà ní compound wa lẹ́yìn. And I want to use this medium to beg all parents, please, I'm begging you, be friendly with your children. Let your children beat your chest for them that you can cross. Guys,
power tap. Power tap.
That you can cross oceans for them. They will be free to talk to you, to share anything with you. My mom.
Oh, thank you. Okay, bye for now.
My mom boosted my morale since when I am very young. Oma sọ fún mi pé ìtùnú. Tí ẹnì kankan bá fọ́ ọkàn yẹn, wá sọ fún mi. Tẹ́nì kankan bá fọ́ ọkàn pàǹtí ẹ, wá sọ fún mi.
You can send your request to.
And I am this talkative. Talkative ni mi o, ní kékeré. Tó jẹ́ pé ní gbogbo area wa yẹn abẹ́bẹ́ lúkege náà máa ń pè mí. Because I won't just see, I will talk. I won't just see, I will talk. So in that level, the man just moved to our compound. Ongbeni boys quarter lẹ́yìn wọn àtàbúrò obìnrin Yétúndé. So I'm very little. They like me so much. That day, my mom went to Lagos Island, Olora Oja. Holiday there's nobody she can keep me with. Then she said I should go and meet Auntie Yetunde at the backyard. I went there. So Oto Ambosibi rose on like 1 p.m. in the afternoon. She wants to go get something at Salami bus stop. So she said, Itunu, stay with Uncle, I am coming.
Thanks for the heart, ruthless.
Did you believe that this useless man actually removed my pants? He was trying to molest me. Immediately it touched me. I was 6. I was like, ma sọ fún mommy mi. Mi ma sọ fún mommy. Mommy mi sọ pé tẹ́nì kankan bá ti fọ́kọ pants mi kí n sọ fáwọn. He was shocked. He was shocked. In fact, I was looking at him. He said, "No, ma sọ fún mommy ẹ. Ma kàn fi ṣeré díẹ̀ ni. Ma worry kankan ní ṣe ma sọ fún mommy ẹ." Then I started screaming. Gbogbo compound wa ti dá. Kò sẹ́nibody nínú compound. Just I and this foolish brother at the backyard. Gbogbo wọn ti lọ sọ́jà tó lọ síbi iṣẹ́ ti lọ. So I was just insisting. I will tell. Mo ma sọ ni mo ṣáà sọ. That uncle left. Ó fi mí sílẹ̀. Kò ju bí 10 minutes lọ. Làbúrò ẹ̀ Yétúndé yẹn dé. She entered into the room. When she entered, she looked at me. She said, Itunu, kí ló ṣe ẹ́? I said, Uncle want to touch my bum bum. She already knew that uncle, Boda Ojo, Upolori Buruku ni wọ́n. She made one statement there and said, Boda mi, ní ọmọ kékeré no again. I will never forget. Exactly. So when she said so, the auntie now said I should come. That she not tell my mommy that she will buy something for me. I said, okay. She took me out. She bought a very new slippers. Ora for me. And she gave me biscuits, sweet, everything, that I should not be moody. I should not let my mom know. Guess what? My mommy came back around 6, Nirole. Immediately she entered, she already sensed my face, my mood, everything, because she knows that mommy, I will be, she was like, it's no kilo share. Oh, sorry. Morakini fue. I would have been trying to open her luggage and see what she bought, this and that. I didn't see anything because the guy already begged that I should not tell. The younger sister already brides me that I should not see anything, but I cannot hold it. Then she said I should come. She put me on her lap and said, Kilo share. I said, Mommy, but that Ojo for Idimi. My mom said, Ojo for Shekini. Yetunde ò sí ńbẹ̀. I said, one slippers for me at sweet on picking my suffering. My mom did not say anything. It was the next day. My mom did not confront him. Àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì. mọ́ èmi bọ́ síta wọ́n lọ fún àwọn èèyàn ní owó àwọn tó máa ń nàyàn pa àwọn tó lè nàyàn kú because there is no law then and things like that are happening and people cannot come outside and talk. Mọ́ èmi wá àwọn FT ga àwọn ọmọ ìgboro gidi tó mọ̀yàn náà tó yẹ kó tó máa ń nàyàn ó máa kú náà kó wá sí compound wọn jọ yẹn. They took this brother out and started beating him. They beat the hell out of him and started asking him questions. Mama, guess what? Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ kékeré tá jọ ń ṣeré ládùúgbò, this brother has messed them up. Ó ti mess púpọ̀ nínú àwọn ọmọ kékeré, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tá jọ ń ṣeré, tá jọ ń kó pangolo, tá jọ ń ṣe ráìsì oníyẹ̀pẹ̀. Ó ti mess.
Àwọn ọmọ yẹn wà timid, wọn ní já picture ẹ̀dùnmọ́.
I'm telling you, ó ti mess wọn up. They started bringing, those people were in our house from morning till evening. People started bringing their children out. Àwọn èèyàn tó sọ pé ẹ máa ná bọ̀dé òjò pé fi wọ́n lẹ̀, they were the one gathering slippers to beat the hell out of him. They were beating him, wọ́n nà dáadáa. Wọ́n ní láti lé bọ̀dá yẹn kúrò ní street ọ̀dọ̀ wa. Wọ́n lé kúrò, he left. So I used to use that as an example that ìwọ tó bá ti ná ọmọ obìnrin, this is no longer old time. To just pay, you will be coding some kind of words for your children. If you get pregnant, if this man taught you, you are just starting your period. Go straight to the point. Call a spade a spade. This is a computer age where children need to know that, okay, this is this and this is that. Ẹ má fi rock by erode fún wọn. Tell them the truth. And let them confide in you. Let them confide in you. Some week on bed app. Tẹ́ bá rí àwọn ọmọkùnrin grown up successful men that were coming outside and they were spilling truth of how women ruined their childhood.
Obìnrin náà máa ń ṣe fọ́kùnrin náà.
I was so ashamed.
Àwọn àgbàlagbà obìnrin ọmọ kékeré ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin mẹ́ta.
I was so ashamed.
Kí ló fẹ́ rìn inú òbò yín?
Tó ìgbà tí mo ti rí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó ti jáde tó ti wá kọrin yẹn mo ní máì ti fẹ́ tẹ́. Ìkan tó ń ṣe yìí kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kán tiẹ̀ súnmọ́ àtọ́. He's supposed to sit and rehabilitate himself. Come outside and apologize. Even if you cannot apologize, he should just lay low and live his life low key. But màtí mo ti rí pé orin yẹn ti ń jáde mo ti mọ̀ pé àwa láti fẹ́ bẹ́lẹ̀ this man.
Nígbà tó ti sọ pé ọkùnrin tó dùn.
Nígbà tó kọrin.
Inú àdúgbò ni.
So another thing I want to say again is that gbogbo èyí tó ń sọ pé set up ni yẹn. Èèyàn tó wà learned tó wà educated máa mọ̀ pé before you can catch a frog you have to jump. Wàá fẹ́ tẹ̀lé lẹ́yìn. If you want to feed a monkey or catch a monkey you behave like a monkey. Mo ti dàgbà díẹ̀ I was already tí èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé ó jẹ́ family friend wa tó máa ń bá wa túná ṣe nulẹ̀. He was asking one of my big sister out. He came to the house that afternoon. He want to rape her in the house. Ọlọ́run ló ní pé. Kí wọ́n ti set nǹkan sílẹ̀ fún somebody that èèyàn lè confide in pé òkè àgbàlagbà lélẹ̀ kò lè ṣe kankan ó dẹ̀ mú ọmọ kékeré yẹn ó fẹ́ bá ṣe shit. So I would just
wọ́n yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ trust anybody pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀ náà.
Even ọmọ mi ọkùnrin kékeré yìí I'm trying to build a very good relationship with him. Tó bá ti dé láti school I question him and ìjọ́ tí mo fẹ́ lọ register school yẹn mo bá wọn tó ṣe fún mi ní rules and regulations school wọn. Èmi náà fún wọn ní rules and regulations tèmi. I told them that please nobody should mess with my child. You see the way this boy is, he doesn't have a friend. Inú ilé ló máa ń dé sí, inú ilé ló máa ti ń kúrò lẹ́yìn church ilé inú ilé ní shop mi wá so he goes nowhere. I'm bringing up mo ń tọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ ní ọ̀nà Olúwa. Èèyàn tó bá mess pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi kú pa o. I think
when he was 15, your ex said a 30-year-old lady taught him how to access when he was. Imagine.
Can you imagine?
Ó wà nínú obìnrin náà kò ń ṣọkùnrin nìkan ló ń gùn.
Àwọn àti àdúgbò yẹn ṣe ju àwọn ọkùnrin lọ. Àwọn àti àdúgbò àwọn àti òṣì yẹn. Ó yẹ kí wọ́n máa ó dà pé tẹ́ẹ̀mù tán fún wọn yẹn. Ojú tí wọ́n ń tù mí pẹ̀lú fún àwọn obìnrin tó tún wá ń jáde tó tún wá ń sọ àwọn ṣíìtì lẹ́nu.
Ó mọ̀ bóyá àwọn obìnrin yẹn gan ọmọ kékeré ló ń bá sùn.
Torí
bá ti ráwọn obìnrin tó ń justify orí burúkú yẹn irú wọn ló máa fi okú ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin rin òbó.
Exactly. Mo tákù ẹnìkan ní comment section kan tí mo ti gbọ́ tó ti ń ṣọkí ni mo ní can you please accept a man to disfly your young daughter, only God forbid, money, then why are you supporting this evil? Why are you supporting this evil? Kole Soromo. What she was enticing you. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó ọmọ kékeré entice ní àtọ̀, because there is a way tó jẹ́ pé ẹ máa fi ruin mental health ọmọ kékeré. The way you touch them, the way you do this, the way you do that. Him coming outside in the first place to prove that is a lie, is a this. Mo kọ́ sọ pé àgbólórí burúkú ni bọ̀dá yìí. Torí nǹkan tí mo kọ́ kọ́mẹ́ntà ó yẹ ká yìnbọn fún yín ni o. Èmi dẹ̀ ti sọ pé léyìí tó ń bá lọ yìí, tèpúrò àwọn ọmọ onílẹ̀ 60/120 yẹn la máa fi padà àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀n fún wọn. Wọ́n máa pẹ́ ń bẹ̀ dáadáa. Torí nǹkan tójú wọn ń wá ó ti rí already. People that already molested a very long time ago, they are coming outside now. Yes. Ọ̀ràn tó fẹ́ dá yẹn. Wọ́n ọ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé social media, àwọn ará social media, abániwọ́ràn bá òrì dání wọn. They will push you. They will fucking push you and they will leave you. Ọjọ́ méjì náà máa fi sọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn ti padà lọ sí. After that 2 days, nobody will fight for you. And him also going back to other people's calling this and that to come and do this and that. He doesn't need it. But mo dúpẹ́ pé people are no longer gullible. This is not year 2020, 2021, where you just come outside and lie and people will agree, yes, it is true. And the way that other sister said the other time, she said, thank God it did not happen during the AI time. Orí mi ṣe gbọ̀ngàn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa kúrò mẹ́ra ẹ̀ ní o.
Orí mi ṣe gbọ̀ngàn. I was in a comment section yesterday when they were playing that CCTV and somebody said AI. I was like, are you mad? Have you taken your drugs?
But táwọn kan sọ pé wọ́n lọ fi fóònù record nǹkan tá a rí CCTV lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́.
I was like,
don't show time, don't show
some
recording.
people are actually
People
saying
are
that.
just crazy.
Mama, some people are actually saying that it's not audible. Money, are you an illiterate? Kó tó lè release CCTV tó bá wà audible.
Kí ni Sister Kemi wí? Only tomorrow we know the quick come. Imagine.
So I can even say it's karma. Karma ló ń padà bọ̀ wá fún òun ló padà wá fún wọn yìí.
Ó ti ṣe fún yàn, ó ti ṣe fún àwọn
èèyàn. Mama, I was in one life yesterday. One auntie princess, I guess she's abroad or so. She was saying what this man did to a young lady. That lady is almost 50-something years old now. She got married and she's traumatized. Can you imagine? Àwọn ọkùnrin, àwọn obìnrin.
Ọ̀nà máa pé 50 years very soon.
50, thank God. Nǹkan tó dá kéèyàn máa fi parọ́ ní àbí kó máa pick wrong points. Ó ti ruin ayé rẹ̀ ní ẹ̀bá yẹn. Ó take divine solution àti iṣẹ́ gidi láti tún rehabilitate àǹtí yẹn padà sí normal human because ó ti mess pẹ̀lú mental health wọn. Please mothers, I'm begging you. Wọ́n ní pé ẹkùn làwọn obìnrin. Tá bá ti ń na ọmọ yẹn pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ ọ̀tún ká máa fọwọ́ òsì fàmọ́ra. Torí tá bá béèrè pé tó bá ní hard time, òun ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ share pẹ̀lú wa, they will be free to talk. Please. Mama, that is my say. God bless you and everyone.
Thank you, Jare. God bless you.
Ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n set wọn up. Ó ní mo kàn fẹ́ bring out ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni mo fẹ́ sọ nípa pé wọ́n set wọn up. Sherry, kò sí ẹni tí wọ́n set up tó bá yẹ pé ẹni yẹn ń wu ìwà yẹn. Because tó bá fẹ́ bring táwọn èèyàn tó máa ń complain pa pé òun ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa. Tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti lọ mú ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá, tọ́lọ́pàá ò bá ní proof, they will go extra length, many lengths láti fi mú proof wá. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé ní àdúgbò tí mò ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀, ó ní tẹ́lẹ̀ tá bá lọ ń gbà yẹn, street yẹn ní ìlú tí mo wà yìí tá bá ń lọ ń gbà yẹn, so kò sí anybody a máa lọ sí supermarket anywhere freely, not until ìgbà tí wọ́n wá open camp, àwọn guests kan wá dé ń gbà yẹn. So bá àwọn guests yẹn ṣe dé camp yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ tá bá tí wọ́n lọ bá àwọn mọ́tò máa dá wa dúró, wọ́n máa béèrè pé èló la fẹ́ gbà kákan wọ ní mọ́tò kíní kan, so wọ́n fi ìlọkulọ̀ lọ wá tí kò dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. So kíní yẹn tí wọ́n ń bí everybody inú àwa lọ sọ fún ọlọ́pàá ní kò sí nǹkan táwọn lè ṣe. but wọ́n wá ní okay ìgbà táwọn náà ti wá find out wọ́n wá pé okay kí ni òótọ́ ni but wọn kàn lè close camp yẹn without evidence or without proof kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe ó wá ní church kan tó wà níwájú building yẹn gangan